Hi, so I've been wanting to do one of these videos for a while and I was going to do a live, but anything can happen basically with Nora hanging around. She doesn't want a nap, so here we go. I'm going to not unbox, but box. So I've gone with a resealable industrial strength plastic bag. It's really thick, really strong, so please don't throw these out when you get your kit, but use them to keep all your yarn scraps and crafty bits inside. She's already here as soon as I'm talking. Hi! Anyway, let's see how this goes. So first of all, I'm just going to start with the bag. So I know loads of companies using cardboard. So I've gone with a resealable industrial strength plastic bag. It's really thick, really strong, so please don't throw these out when you get your kit, but use them to keep all your yarn scraps and crafty bits inside. Okay, so first thing that goes in the bag is this Pom Pom booklet, which I made. I did all the photography, all the projects inside, all the content during a lot of nap times. So it's all colors. So they're quite easy projects, but basically it's just to inspire you to get started once you make a load of pom-poms and you don't know what to do with it next. So that goes inside. It's on really lovely paper. So that's first, then goes the yarn. Then the yarn is all acrylic, but I am thinking of doing a wool version. They're really squishy, and this is the spring colorway, so I wind all the balls by hand. I don't know about you, but when I go to a fabric shop or a yarn shop, I want to touch everything, which is another reason for the see-through bags. I want people to be able to see how lovely the yarn is inside, kind of get an idea. So that's all in there. Next goes the Loom Tool. I always put in the robot tool because you can make 2 different size pom-poms with these. So that's next. If you want to swap your tool, just send me a message, but I'm going to set it up online that you can do it. Then it's 5 meters of strong string, which is crochet cotton, a little darning needle so you can thread your pom-poms onto garlands, and also a cardboard trim guide. So that's everything that goes into our pom-pom kit. So this is again the spring colorway. And I'm also going to take photos now so you can choose your own colors. If you don't exactly want a certain color, you just pick 5. Yeah, so if you have any questions about the kits, let me know. And next week will be the unboxing, or rather boxing, of the necklace kits, and I'll try and do a kit a week, but you know how things go, especially with this.